Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very exciting time here at my shop. Our latest kit is ready for release. The latest kit is for a heavy-duty scissor-style knurling tool. This buy it once tool has a capacity of 2 inches or 50 millimeters. This kit is available in 3 versions: the complete kit, a partial kit, or as drawings only. All 3 versions are available in imperial inch or metric units. Let's have a look at the kit component page. Component identification. Here we see an exploded view of the knurling tool. A cover plate and a couple of button head screws have been slid back here so that we can see the insides. This is the body plate. Will go into your tool holder. The hinge pins pass through the body plate and secure the 2 arm assemblies, the upper assembly and the lower assembly. Here's an arm assembly up here. It has the hinge pin going through, it has a swivel pin, it has a spacer pin, it has a wheel pin, and it has the knurling wheel. Both the partial and the complete kit come with a medium diamond knurling wheel. We have our 2 arm assemblies, and then we have the tensioning mechanism. Tensioning rod, tensioning knob, compression spring, and spring collars. Let's have a look at the kit. Okay, here we have a complete kit. The 16-page printed drawing package, laser cut plates, all the round stock, and all the hardware in this package. Here is what we're making. There's the finished Heavy Duty Knurling Tool. Let's first of all have a look at the plates. Seven different plates. The body. This is where the shank that will go in your tool holder. If it's too big for your particular lathe, you can just simply mill it down to what you need. A body plate, 2 cover plates, and 4 arm plates. They've all been laser cut for you, and the center marks of all the holes have been laser etched. Next we'll have a look at all the round stock. This is a combination of ultra machinable 1215 steel, tool steel, and brass. This is for all the various pins in the knurling tool. There's a hinge pin through here, a swivel pin, spacer pin, wheel pin, and also for the torsioning components. There's the brass for your tensioning knob, tensioning rod, more brass for the spring collars, and lastly let's have a look at the hardware. Here's all our hardware. There's our 2 medium diamond knurling wheels, the compression spring, the button head screws, and the set screws. So what we see here is the complete kit, as I said. If you go with a partial kit, you have to supply your own round stock. You'll still get the laser cut and etched plates, you'll still get all the hardware with the knurling wheels, and a printed copy of the drawing package. The last option is the drawings only version. and that would be a PDF digital download, so you don't have to worry about postage, or you don't have to worry about waiting to get your drawings. They're available immediately after checkout. So all three versions of the kit, the complete kit, the partial kit, and the drawings only, they're all available in metric or imperial. Let's put our knurling tool through its paces. Okay, so we're at the lathe now. I have my Heavy Duty Knurling Tool mounted in a tool holder. I have squared the tool to the work. We have some 1 3/4 1045 or high carbon steel. So I'm looking from the end so that I can get my wheels centered over the work. I'm just going to snug the tool up so that the wheels start turning. 115 RPM. So there's no real tension on there. The wheels are turning, but they're not tight. I'm going to snug them up a little bit more. I'm going to get some oil. So I have my wheels centered over the work. I'm going to add a whack of cutting oil. So the wheels are just touching now. I'm going to snug that up a bit more. And I'm going to advance the tension knob a 1/4 turn. There we are. And power feed. That's very nice gripness wise. Regardless of what scissor style knurling tool you're using, the beginning and the end is always messed up compared to the middle area. So plan your operations accordingly. You want to do this early in the operations and you can clean up on each side. But she's done a great job. Very nice finish on there. That's about as tough as it gets. 1045 steel. We'll clean this up and have a better look. So we have some 1 3/4 inch diameter aluminum. I've got it so that the wheels are centered on the work. Wheels are loose right now. We'll snug them up. Barely turning. Now this material, for whatever reason, is not spinning true, but that should be okay. The scissor style knurling tool will float and allow a certain amount of out of roundness. Let's give it a try. So there, the wheels are making full contact now. Full contact, and we'll advance the 1/4 turn. And use our power feed. Very pronounced knurl, nice pattern. That's basically too aggressive. It wants to tear your hands up, so I would just run some 400 grit emery on that and take those points down a little bit. But she performed nicely. Did a nice job. Let's try some brass. That's laid down a very nice pattern. Okay, we have a nice piece of 1 1/4 inch brass here, 32mm diameter. The wheels are still loose at this point. Tighten up the wheels so they make full contact. And then we'll do a little less than a 1/4 inch, a little less than a 1/4 turn. Engage our power feed. Very consistent, nice diamond pattern there. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We've put it through its paces. It's done very well. This is what I've been dealing with for years. I don't know why. It's hard to knurl with your fingers crossed. Buy it once. Get yourself a fun project for your shop. I'm showing the complete kit here. Drawing package, all the materials that you'll need. Or if you want to supply your own round stock, you can go with the partial kit in either metric or imperial. Or if you'd like, you can just go with the drawing package. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for your continued support. Link to the store in the description. Take care, be safe, and most of all, enjoy your shop time. Thanks for watching.